Gears are helpful in machines of all kinds, not just cars and cycles. They are a simple way to generate more speed or power or set the power of a machine off in another direction. We can say that gears are simple machines. Let's see what happens when we try to connect two gears with different sizes. Change direction. When two gears mesh together, the second one always turns in the opposite direction. So if the first one turns clockwise, the second one must turn counterclockwise. You can also use specially shaped gears to make the power of a machine turn through an angle. Increase force. If the second wheel in a pair of gears has more teeth than the first one, that is, if it's a larger wheel, it turns slower than the first one but with more force. Increase speed. If you connect two gears together and the first one has more teeth than the second one, generally that means it's a bigger sized wheel, the second one has to turn around much faster to keep up. So this arrangement means the second wheel turns faster than the first one but with less force. We can use gear to explain different types of motion. Circular motion on the gear, linear motion, and oscillatory motion with the hand. You can see that gears are used for transmitting power from one part of a machine to another. Have fun discovering gears in class.